Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install YubiKey Manager for OpenPGP keys step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official YubiKey Manager download page. Locate the appropriate version for your operating system. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows installer link. For Mac OS, choose the Mac version available for download. For Linux users, select the appropriate package for your distribution. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. After the installation is finished, launch the YubiKey Manager application. Connect your YubiKey device to your computer. In the YubiKey Manager interface, select the Applications tab. Look for the OpenPGP section to manage your OpenPGP keys. If this is your first time using OpenPGP, you will need to generate a new key pair. Click on the Generate button to start the key generation process. Follow the prompts to set your desired key parameters. Be sure to save the generated keys securely. Once your keys are ready, you can manage them directly from the application. To import existing OpenPGP keys, select the Import option in the OpenPGP section. Choose the desired key file from your local storage. After successful import, you will see your key listed in the YubiKey Manager. Make sure to configure any necessary settings for your keys. Once done, safely disconnect your YubiKey from your computer. Your YubiKey is now ready to use with your OpenPGP keys. Remember to keep your device secure and manage your keys responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.